Using ArcGIS Collector on an Android device, the first time you open the app, it's going to ask you to sign in, and you're going to sign in through ArcGIS Online, and then you're going to tap on using your ArcGIS organization's URL, and you're going to enter CSUN GIS as one word. Tap the checkbox. It doesn't matter if the C is capitalized or not. Click that checkbox and you're going to click continue, and then tap on the blue button to sign in through CSUN through your login credentials. Once you've logged in, you're going to see all your maps that are in your ArcGIS Online account. This is just your web maps from ArcGIS Online. So you're going to open up the map that you need to get to. Once you open up the map, here's a couple of things. You can tap the three dots here to get a few more options, such as base map, bookmarks, legends, and measure. The squares, the little diamonds or squares here, these are for your layers from the web map, and you want to make sure that any layer you want to use for collecting data, you've got to make sure that that layer is visible. The blue point, the blue circle there with the small arrow, that is the location of your device, and when you are entering data, you're going to tap the blue cross here, and then you're going to select which feature you're going to be entering data if you have multiple features that you can edit. Now you'll see here at this time the circle, the targeting circle here is red. That means my location is too poor, the accuracy is too poor. And so if I try to add a point, it's just going to ask you to confirm using a poor location. So you can do that, or you can go into your profile in the Collector app and then adjust the accuracy threshold. Okay, here you also see that you have all your attributes that you can enter, and you can also take photos to attach as well. So in those attributes, those are all configured in ArcGIS Online beforehand. I'm going to discard this point, and I'm going to go back to the menu and show you some things about editing the profile. So you have your profile icon here in the top right corner, and this is where you can edit the accuracy thresholds. So if you are finding your accuracy is just not good enough, you could just increase that number. And if you have and you can add an offline area if you need to do offline data collection from this maps menu. Tap the three dots here on the side of the map that you're interested in, and you're going to add an offline area. And to do that, you'll see that you have a map boundary here and you have a level of detail, and those two things are connected, and so you'll need to scroll to the area that you're going to download and make sure all of the area that you could be entering data in fits within that rectangle, because anything outside of that black rectangle will not appear in your map once it's downloaded to your device. And you're going to tap on level of detail, which it defaults to room, and then you can select different levels of detail. More detail is going to let you see more on the map when you zoom in. A higher level of detail is also going to result in a smaller map boundary or a smaller map area. So once you're ready, you click download area, and then when you open the map and you go up to that offline area, that is going to be the only place that's visible on your screen.